everyone, and welcome to this week's episode of Luxury Living NYC. Now this week is actually here by popular demand because we get a lot of comments about how New York is so expensive, how do you build equity when you have such a high price point? So today we are going to show you a fabulous apartment for under $3,000 a month. You have a pretty affordable apartment over here on 28th Street. You're still in the middle of everything, you're close to a lot of stuff, but this apartment in specific is in the back of the building, so it's nice and quiet. It has through-the-wall AC, so you don't have to take over your window. And for a studio, that definitely means a lot. Before we show you, I'm gonna need you to like, subscribe, share this with a friend. Maybe you know somebody that's coming to school here, or somebody that just wants to start building their equity. I know Barbara Corcoran said she got her penthouse because she started in a studio. And this is a studio that you can start in. So let's go check it out. All right, so here we are inside the unit. And this is what I mean, right? It's a super cute, really efficient unit. So if you're looking for a pied-à-terre, maybe you work in the area, what's really nice about it is we are in the back of the building, and even though it's unit LC, we aren't actually on the ground floor. So if you go and look out the window, you'll see that it's actually below. So nobody's gonna come in from the outside. I feel like that's always something that people get nervous about, but that's not gonna happen here because it can't reach the window from down there. The awesome thing about this is there's so many possibilities of how you can lay this out. You can obviously flip-flop it. I know a lot of people like to put up like a bookshelf or something here so that you're really separating your living from your bedroom area, right? And it's really wide for a studio. So you don't feel like you're cramped at all. You do have the option to make very separate spaces. So something that I would do personally if I owned this little gem, I would get one of those movable islands, right? They have some, they're islands, and then they even have the pieces that come out. The leaves that come out extend so you have more island space. Some of them even come with chairs underneath, so you can just pull it out and have like your own little dining table when you want it. Then a lot of them you can just wheel it over to the side and it'll be out of the way. This unit also comes with 3 really good sized closets. Yeah, just because you live in a studio does not mean that you can't have clothes. As a matter of fact, you can have clothes, more clothes, and then there's even an awesome spot that you could have a whole dressing nook. If this were my place, I would probably turn this into a whole dressing nook. There's a closet here, then I'd put some shelves, or you can even put extra hanging space on this side. Maybe you would have a dresser here, probably a mirror here, you know, just make sure that you're always looking fabulous before you come and go, or just before you go. That was weird. You have your bathroom here. Everything is just super efficient, and all of this is for $355,000. $355,000. So for all of you who reach out and say, I can't get anything for $355,000, as a matter of fact, you can, and it's right here in Kips Bay. Okay, here's the truth. New Yorkers, we don't cook. I don't even know why we have kitchens half the time. I think it's only because you can't get a mortgage without having a kitchen. Whatever. But the truth is, all of us New Yorkers, we eat out. And the fabulous thing about this apartment is you are right around the corner from Bella Union. Look, I'm gonna keep it real with you. I wasn't too sure about this area either. I didn't know what was gonna be around here to eat, etc. But this menu looks absolutely divine. I cannot wait for my drink to come out. And again, as every true New Yorker, all you have to do is walk around the corner and you have all of these great options. Number 1, to me, being Bella Union. So I said it, the drink sounded amazing. Also really excited because when I do this, I get to order more than one and drink them first. Whee! Sorry, Jen. So this is the 818. Oh, I'm wobbly. Oh my God, that's so good. And I got it with no agave because why have the extra calories? Stupid. Absolutely delicious. And Jen got a mango margarita. Thanks, Jen. It's actually really good too. And I'm not a big fan of the frozen margaritas. Let me tell you why, because I get it in the brain. Instant brain, I have brain freeze now. Instant brain freeze. I'm gonna stick to this. These are so good. You have to come and try your own. So thank you so much for joining us today. I'm really excited to get into this chipsing block. And as always, please like, subscribe, stay tuned for one of Jen's bloopers because she loves that stuff and she would like your support. Comment below with your favorite places to go in Kips Bay, because it can't just be this spot, although it's absolutely amazing. And if you are looking for something affordable, we always want to be your real estate team of choice, and this property is absolutely amazing for it. So have a good one. We'll see you next week. I was about to be like, I'm the only sick that loves this weather.
Well, I got that on camera.
Oh, did you really?